What I wish I knew at launch instead of burnout. AI does the heavy lifting, you just get the results. Introducing MarketingBlocks, the all-in-one AI platform that builds your expert brand while you sip your morning coffee. Just feed it a few prompts about your business, connect your socials, and voila, your AI team creates, manages, and grows your brand in any niche, any language. Need a killer sales page? Done. Custom graphics or logos? Piece of cake. Viral videos, persuasive copy, and even AI voiceovers? All handled instantly. With over 20 AI-powered tools, MarketingBlocks automates everything: content, design, social posts, even chatbots. No stress, no endless meetings, just effortless marketing, faster than your morning espresso. Ditch the hiring headaches and let AI skyrocket your business. Hit the link below and try MarketingBlocks for free, because the future of marketing is just a click away.